What's good out there, artists? It's your boy Coach. Now, I know it's been a while since I tapped into the YouTube channel, but I want to let you guys know I'm moving all of my focus, attention, and content over to my Patreon, where I have tiers as low as $1 a month so you can get your exclusive rap coaching content. If you need help with your lyrics, your flows, your melodies, your songwriting, artist development, and anything in between, definitely tap into my Patreon so you can improve fast. Now, without any further ado, here's some exclusive content from my Patreon channel. Link in the description. All right, so I was writing this song for an artist, and he was like, "Man, I've been listening to this Offset album, man, and I like these Offset flows. Could you use that as inspiration?" And so yeah, I went and listened to it, and one thing that was apparent is that Offset likes to focus on the end of his bars to make them catchy. All right. And this is super important because Offset and the Migos, they've been using the same triplet Migo flow for a decade plus. And it's like, how do they keep that same idea fresh? Well, a great way that they do it, and most Atlanta artists that use heavy triplets, is they're focusing on the end of the bar. Why? Because say for instance, we got 4 bars. What part of the bar is going to be consistent from all of those bars? The end, the rhyme part, they're all going to sound the same at the end. So us hearing that, and then you adding some character to it, a high note, a low note, whatever you want to do, stretch it out, it makes that just that much more catchier. All right. And you know, as I was listening to Offset, I was like, damn, Thug do this, Gunna do this, like all artists do this, like not even just South artists, you know. Hey, drop, can I do that? I like nigga, no. Ace Boone Coon from the west side to Senegal. It's a full moon, let the sun outside been a dog. I feel good, get the fuck out my face. She look good, but she don't got no taste. No, then walked out with the save. It's a great way to add catchiness to a bar, to grab the listener's ear, to catch their ear, to break up, you know, monotony. And so I'm gonna show you guys a great example of him doing this, and then show you guys. See, he's adding that emphasis on that part. And so, you know, all we want to do is just figure out what that syllable count is on our flow. All right. On this mock verse I wrote, I said, close my eyes, apologize, mama cries, homicide, mama. So this 3 syllables. All right. And so in that 3 syllables, somewhere, say for instance, I dropped it. I said, they don't know my mind. I see my demons when I close my eyes. I go lower at the end of it. Watch the difference of verses when I do it, when I don't do it, and I do it. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. They don't see my. I'm gonna do it regular first. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. They don't know my mind. I see demons when I close my eyes. God, I know I used to be an angel. I apologize. $100 bills instead of tissue. Wipe my mama cries. Payback is essential. Law official. Call it homicide. Stick inside my drawers. Where I'm from, it's like martial law. He goes ride the whip because they shot him. He ain't parked the car. I was 17 up in the cell watching Dr. Oz. Cuz check my cell cause I yell when I talk to God. They don't know my mind. I see demons when I close my eye. God, I know I used to be an angel. I apologize. $100 bills instead of tissue. Wipe my mama cry. Payback is essential. Law official. Call it homicide. Stick inside my drawers. Where I'm from, it's like martial law. He goes ride the whip and then they shot him. He ain't parked the car. I was 17 up in the cell watching Dr. R. Cause I'll check my cell cause of ever when I talk to God. See, this goes back to that conversation I was having about making waves and not just lines. All right. Thinking about, you know, being intentional about, okay, man, this could be a potential part where I could make the line more entertaining. This is great for when I'm coming up with choruses, when I'm coming up with pre-choruses, of course in verses. But say for instance, I got an 8-bar chorus section, and in my first 4 bars, man, let me just find a flow that I could play with that's catchy. It ain't got to be super repetitive because, you know, the repetition comes from us hearing that 4 times, and that's your catchiness factor, where you ain't got to take a phrase and repeat it like, yeah, I be flexing, I'm flexing, I'm flexing, yeah, you catch me flexing, I'm flexing, you know, fuck that shit. All right. Let me try to find another one. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. They don't know my. Yeah. Come on, catch it. They don't know my mind, I see demon when I close my eyes. God, I know I used to be an angel, I apologize. $100 bills instead of tissue, wipe my mama cry. Payback is essential, law officials call it homicide. Stick inside my drawers where I'm from, it like martial law. He go ride the whip and then they shot him, he ain't parked the car. I was 17 up in the cell, watching Dr. RCO check my cell because I yell when I talk to God. Mama working late, my daddy was in prison. It's crazy to say, man, to this day I don't even miss him. Told my friends, know they working the gun, I wouldn't listen for the son if I'ma come back and I'm on a mission. Mama, she was working late, that was in a prison. Crazy to say, to this day I don't even miss him. Told my friends, knowing them that they won't even listen. Fuck that for us of a, the crazy thing is, hey, drop, can I get a drop? I'm like, nigga, no. Ace, boom, coon, look good, get the fuck out my face. Look up, but she don't got no taste. Walked in, walked out. With every rapper uses this, not just South rappers, not just Offset, not just Migos. So if you got a flow, if you got a verse, and you want to add a little magic to it, you want to add a little spark to it, think about the end of that bar. I hope this video was of value. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.